never see nothing like this before.
The man made disease, them can't find the cure. Dead body pack up on floor and the government still a ignore.
The wicked have tried to escape from the king and go build underground tunnel. Unfortunately, things did not went so well. Try to reach Africa and make the wrong turn go hell. And buck up in the devil and John Pope Noel. The fire start to burn them and them skin start to swell. Them a scream and a ball like the bitch Lizzie Bell. Them shoulda know say down a hell, water na cellar. And Buckingham Palace done conquer by John Pope spell. What a day when they get the youths them start rebel. All knees a fi bow and every tongue a fi go tell. I'm free from the Pope spell. Put them off in a evil don't dwell. I never see nothing like this before. Enough lose faith and get insecure. Seems like them not praise the king no more, no more, no more. I never see nothing like this before.
The man made disease, them can't find the cure. Dead body pack up on floor and the government still a ignore. So farmer man go cut up the banana tree bunch. The hungry must be fed, so me go get them free lunch. Plus the poor and the have-nots, them fi get some. Emmanuel, the priest forward. Go round them with these natty go cause a bad word. Shows and the rice, them a feel it, so God the word. Humanity we bleed, that's a one blood. Chant one ear, me say fi shout one love.
I never see nothing like this before. Enough lose faith and get insecure. Seems like them now praise the king no more.
Soul Confusion. Ras Fraser Jr. alongside Perfect Gilimadi. Song.
Mad.
Song.
Yeah. I'm going for the Grammy.
Go for it, brother. Go for it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. The serious, man.
So let me ask you now, right? The album is long awaited. When can we expect it to touch down?
All right, this is the first them are ever gonna see this in our history.
Mm.
You know when artists have album, they just drop albums, so no, I'm not do it that way there. Isn't it? So what you're gonna see the next music video.
Okay.
Because we're shooting, we're doing every song. And sorry, let I rephrase it. We have did almost every song already.
Uh-huh.
So now we are just dropping them one at a time.
Okay.
So
Okay.
while doing that now, we are giving the people not just a closed mind of what is on the album, but a sneak peek of not just one, but a few. So when them go purchase the full album now, them can say,
Boom.
me know why me go purchase the album here. Is it me?
See there. Strategy.
Yeah. Yes. You know, the marketing side, you know, we have to take a look at time out, me and my team and us do some things a different way because we see other artists put out the albums, you know, but me doing this now on the American side. Jamaica reggae, but we're mixing it with the American marketing strategy.
Right.
You know, you see Beyonce put out an album, you don't just see the album just like that. You see 2 or 3 videos first, you see me? And you get your skin, you roll, and you say, no man, I want the album, yeah, man. You see me?
Right.
So,
Right.
That's my mission.
I love it. Let me tell you something, folks, right? I've got a couple of exclusive listens of different things. I haven't heard the whole thing. I've gotten a couple of exclusive listens, and there's some bad music to forward.
Yo,
Yes, man.
King Rudy,
Yes.
as a selector,
Yeah.
DJ, I'm telling you right now, right?
Yeah.
I can't get in a world of trouble.
Yeah.
I not gonna do it. The music bad,
Yeah.
but I not sneak peek it.
And your voice, I cover your
But I
voice.
have to wait
on
till
tune.
the man say drop it, and then
Yeah.
I can drop
Nah,
it.
man.
Yeah.
But
Listen,
but listen,
You have it. You have it.
well, have it. Not the whole thing, but I've what?
Yeah, man, you can't sneak peek it, man. You can't sneak peek it.
Ah,
Okay, so if not this week, but it's
Trouble
very
next
soon,
week.
soon.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
man.
mean, yeah.
But when you sneak peek it, you see me? Once it you hear the 2 artists them,
Yeah.
Don't give them no more.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Ras Fraser Jr.,
Bless
tell
it.
everybody how they can contact you, follow you, learn about more about you, how they can purchase your music. Give them all the info.
All right, you can check me out on every social platform. That's first. Every social platform. Anything where you could have Triller. That's the new one. If you never know, Triller is a new app what everyone is using. Yeah.
Yep.
So anything you have, just type in my name. Cause me try to make sure some me on all of the apps them. Is in? And hashtag is always valuable. So you can hashtag Ras Fraser Jr. You can see me on the KFC hashtag and nobody come say where the Rasta man do over KFC. Man. Hashtag everything. You see? So I am as I say, I'm everywhere. The music now, you can get the music on all digital platforms. Just type in Ras Fraser Jr. and you get the latest and the oldest and the newest set of music them. Is in? We're working on a jazz album also. This is the first in history a reggae artist doing jazz.
Full and complete.
So
Fraser,
Yeah.
I just after facts, right? My first stick a pin
Yeah.
on that one,
yes,
right?
yes,
Shaggy last year did the Frank Sinatra album. He redid a bunch of and Frank Sinatra music, all the jazzy stuff. So it's not original,
yeah.
right? It's Frank Sinatra, but Shaggy did redo a bunch of Frank Sinatra jazz stuff last year in an album. All right. So yours is going to be the first original music.
Huh?
Yours will be the first original jazz
Yes,
music
and I will
reggae
be the
album.
first, and I will be the first reggae. Cause Shaggy is not a reggae artist.
See, we're gonna get to the controversy right there.
Politics.
Right to the end of the
Politics.
interview, he want to drop that statement on me. Fraser,
Shaggy is not. No, Shaggy is not a reggae artist.
Shaggy's not a reggae artist.
No.
Shaggy is a what kind of artist is Shaggy?
Shaggy is not a reggae artist.
He's not a reggae artist.
No.
But I ask you, what kind of artist is he?
What me that call Shaggy now? Semi dancehall, semi pop,
Semi dancehall, semi pop.
Dance
semi
pop.
pop crossover. Yeah.
All right. I'm looking for
Hold
that.
on, the reason why I said this, I never hear that Shaggy on a one job.
Yeah, man. Them have Shaggy and Barry Salmon in combination.
No, what I'm saying is that's a combination.
Okay.
See me? You don't have a Shaggy album featuring just reggae.
Oversaid that. However, Shaggy's music, when he does go up for any awards or anything, it would be categorized in the reggae album category.
That's the system.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, man, I system that, man. But I want to classify him as a reggae artist, too, you know?
Ras Fraser Jr., you are a reggae artist.
Yes,
Thank
man.
you very much, sir.
A very good
And
reggae
that's it.
artist at that.
Yes,
And
sir.
ladies and
Bad Beat
gentlemen-
Boy is a dancehall artist, sir.
Oh, yes. Badness I road. The bad breed brother. Yo, big up my friend. Listen, we're gonna have you back. Next song drop from the album. You have to forward again. All right. Every time
man,
you drop one.
I'm gonna forward in studios.
All right. Because
Yeah.
the lady's not here tonight, but when you forward, she'll be happy to have you in the studio. Definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
And
Give
I want
thanks,
to
Summers.
big up the item for having me. I know the time short and everything, but give thanks for the item said way. Isn't me? Manners and respect. And I love the item work with the item I do. Keep it up same way. Is it? And don't drop the banner.
Never that.
Island it.
Blessed love. Ladies and gentlemen, Ras Fraser Jr. joining us here for the big interview on this episode of the Island Heat Radio Show.
Oh, yeah, man. And we're heading to the top of the hour, but just got to say big up to Ras Fraser. An awesome interview. Beer, big songs. Can we give it a bounce around?
Get in the bounce around.
Just one look, and it was over. Whoa. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Whoa, your love is amazing. Your love forever be my lady, and I will never let you down. And this is Ras Fraser Jr., and you're listening to Island Eat Show on APAP Radio. Tune in, don't change your dial, right? Alright then, bounce, bounce and galang. Girl, them a bubble up and wine to me song. Bounce, bounce and galang. Shoulda see the fat woman a wine pan a man. Bounce, bounce and galang. Granny get up her chair and a rock and galang. Bounce, bounce and galang. Team 5-0, them a bounce and galang. Fake your shoulder, your name ding dong. In the rock side, they dep on a swing song. Me no know where the dancer come from. Hear a man in a the crowd, so we pull up the song. Nothing no wrong from your wine pan a man. For me must spend the money till the cash and galang. Independent girl, so you can go champagne in a dance, laugh and galang. Bounce, bounce and galang. Girl, them a bubble up a wine to me song. Bounce, bounce and galang. Shoulda see the fat woman a bump and a man. Bounce, bounce and galang. Granny get up her chair and a rock and galang. Bounce, bounce and galang. All a fresh team, them a bounce and galang. Watch the girl them bubbling. Waistline a moving a timing and join up and make young puzzling. Big woman no bother trouble him because the wine where you give him lock this up. We no brace it, tick tock this up. Hey.
There you have it, the Bunks and Galang. That was the song featured on the Netflix. Was it Survival of the Thickest?
Yes, Survival. That's I gotta go check that out. Just at least, just the episode. I don't know. Survival of the Thickest.
I think you just want to see what the thickest.
I'm interested.
How thick is the thing?
No, big up Ras Fraser. That's a good look.
Do you think you can survive the thickest?
I've survived worse.